All right, how is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today in this video, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the WH-CH520 Sony truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So today in this video, I'm going to give everyone a fitting demonstration. Then we're going to do two audio sample tests. Right? The first one is going to be a leakage test, and then the second one is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. And then I'm going to let y'all know how I feel about the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these headphones, and then we'll wrap the video up. Okay? That being said, I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and let's begin. So starting off here, let's start off with a fitting demonstration. And for reference, I have the headphones fully closed. This is the most comfortable position for me. And you can see this is what the headphones look like from a straight front on profile here. Okay. And then if I turn to my left, you can see what the right ear cup looks like. And I'll give y'all a close-up of the ear cup so y'all can see. And in particular, on the right ear cup is where all the action happens. So we have our microphone, we have our USB Type-C charging port, we got our power on off / play pause button, we got our volume up and down button / reverse and next track buttons, all on the right ear cup. And then if I turn to my right, and give y'all a close-up of the left ear cup. The left ear cup, as you can see from the B-roll that I'm going to put up, is completely clean. But that's a real quick fitting demonstration for everyone. Now let me talk about how I feel about the overall comfort after using these headphones for a good amount of time. Now, comfort-wise, I have to say these headphones are just good. I did notice that after about 8 to 10 hours of straight usage, my left earlobe here kind of gets sore or irritated. Okay, so that's where I kind of have to adjust it after some time or swivel the cup off the earlobe to give it a break. Okay, but I also noticed that my right ear and my right earlobe doesn't have that issue. So I can pretty much wear the right ear cup for any amount of time and not get any discomfort. Whereas I did get a lot of discomfort with extended listening with the left ear cup. And I would have to say that happened about after the first 8 to 10 hours of listening, and it still continues to happen. So overall, in terms of comfort, I'd have to say these are just good. All right. Now let's move on and get into the audio sample test, right? Now, today we're going to do something a little different. I don't have any of my devices hooked up to the headphones today. Okay, you can see my main two devices right here. Instead, what I have hooked up to the headphones today is my mini PC. I have it connected up to the headphones, and I have the headphones set to 100% volume. I'm going to go ahead and throw up B-roll of all of this so you guys and gals can see it for yourself. And remember, all the featured music as well as all the affiliated links and all of my extended coverage will be linked up down below in the video description. And remember, if your interest is piqued and you want to pick up these headphones, if you use those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel so I can keep bringing you guys and gals content at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So if at any point this video piques your interest, the video description down below will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, let's jump into the first of the two audio tests here today. Let's start off with the leakage test. So for reference, the mic is clipped onto my face mask right here, which is a little bit closer than usual. So if there is any leakage coming off of the headphones, it should easily be able to get picked up by my microphone. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let me go ahead and push play. And you guys and gals, let me know down below in the comments if my mic picked up any leakage. Let's go. Let me push play now. Okay. Okay, that's good. All right, now before I do the second test, let me just give y'all my overall thoughts and opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these. Now, in terms of the overall sound quality, I have to say these are top notch. There's no distortion on the lower or the high ends of the volume spectrum, no crackling or no distortion of any kind. So the sound quality on these is top notch in my opinion. Talking about the overall volume on these is top notch as well. Even with this test and any or all of my other testing, I had no issues turning up the volume to a comfortable level or the max level and completely immersing myself in whatever I was doing with the headphones, whether that be streaming TV shows or movies, whether that be listening to music via YouTube Music, so on and so forth. The overall volume on these is top notch. Now, where these headphones fall short, in my opinion, would have to be with the bass. Now, I am not an audio professional, okay? I'm just a self-proclaimed bass lover and a lover of tech, all right? But at least in my opinion, based on what I heard with my ears and the different types of music that I tested, which was mostly hip-hop, R&B, and a little bit of rock, okay? Based on what I've tested and what my ears heard, I would have to say the bass on these is super, super soft, okay? It's noticeable depending on what you're listening to, but it really is lacking that grit and that punch to really let you feel the music. So I would have to say the bass on these is just okay. This is the one area of these headphones where I feel like Sony definitely needs to make some improvements, okay? But again, let me reiterate. So the overall sound quality on these is top notch. The overall volume on these is top notch. And the overall bass on these is just okay, all right? That's my overall thoughts. That's my overall opinion. Now let me go ahead and rewind the track here. And let me give y'all, you guys and gals, an overall sound sample so you can formulate your own opinions, all right? And again, I am using my professional clip-on microphone to record all the audio for today's video, so you guys and gals should get a nice, crisp audio sample. This way you can draw your own conclusions, come to your own judgments, all right? So I got it lined up here. Let me take the headphones off. Line this up with the mic right there, boom, and let's go ahead and push play. And I'm going to let this play for about a minute, give y'all a nice audio sample. So let's go ahead and push play now. Let's go. Hold that up there, good. Okay, that's a little bit over a minute. That should be a good sound sample. Let me go ahead and push pause. All right, so guys and gals, that pretty much does it for today's video. As I said earlier, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals find it helpful. And as always, if your interest is piqued, everything you guys and gals need to know, whether it be the affiliated links if you want to pick these up, or some of the extended coverage, all of that good stuff will be linked up down below. Okay? So as always, the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right? That being said, today's video was recorded with the front-facing camera on the S10e in 4K at 30 FPS with my professional audio microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. That being said, what do you guys and gals think about the overall performance and the overall look and the fit and feel of these headphones? If you decided to pick them up or if you're just trying to make some conclusions based on this video, let me know you guys and gals' thoughts down below in the comments. Please remember to keep it respectful, please. We're all grown-ups. We should all be able to respectfully share our opinions. That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here.